everybody. I hope you guys can hear me, but as you guys can probably tell and hear, it's very, very windy out. I'm just trying to keep this video as short as I can. What do you want, Goose? I don't know where your family is. Nope, he's gone that way. All I can say right now is I hope you guys enjoyed your Ramadan. If you are Muslim, or if you are celebrating, or if you did celebrate Ramadan in any way. Wow. That little splash, I don't know if you guys saw that over there, but that's like my brain. That was funny. I don't know. Oh, there's a little duck over there. If you guys had a wonderful Ramadan, that's good. If not, there's always next year. I just hope you guys are staying strong and positive, because this world seems to be a little funky sometimes. I was able to fast for my 4th year in a row. This wind needs to calm down. I'm probably going to record for just like another minute or 2 or 3. I'll try to keep this video around 5 minutes. Around that time, I'm not really too sure because it's so windy out and there's a little bit of rain. I really hope you guys can hear me. We got Detroit and Windsor. So that's Detroit and that's Windsor, United States and Canada. I know Eid was on Wednesday. I wanted to make a short video by the river, and of course the weather is not cooperating. It's unfortunate, but I hope you guys enjoyed your Ramadan and Eid. I feel like the wind is just getting worse. Oh, it's gonna get real bad tonight. I don't know. The weather changes all the time. Okay, I do want to talk a little bit about TikTok. I don't think this video is going to be too long. If you have a disability, or if you don't have a disability, because I was talking about how people with fetal alcohol syndrome cannot drive, and I said that, you know, some people who are on the FASD spectrum, which is fetal alcohol spectrum disorders, you can drive if you want to. You don't really have to have a driver's license. I think people need to stop being so mean to people who do not drive a car, no matter how old they are. It is a choice, okay? It is your choice whether you want to drive or not. And if somebody is going to throw shade at you, or if they are going to insult you, just let them go. Because they're not worth it. People love to project their own feelings onto people. You can drive a car if you want to. You do not have to drive just because your parents drive or if your grandparents drove. It doesn't matter. Driving a car is a choice, and nobody is forcing me to drive a car. If they are forcing you to drive a car, it's better to just cut them out, even though it's going to be tough, like to cut contact with family. I don't know. I've read too many stories. Those Reddit stories on YouTube, I've read too many of them, but still, driving a car should be a choice. And I do want to say, hopefully you guys can hear me when I'm talking through this because the wind is brutal. Gosh. I do not have a job. I do not work, despite me being 29 years old. And I don't know how to say this, but I'm going to try my best. I'm going to try my best to say this. I think people with fetal alcohol syndrome may have a tough time finding a job or even being in a relationship. And I'm not saying that every person who has been diagnosed with fetal alcohol syndrome is going to experience the same thing. Every person, whether you have a disability or not, invisible or not, everybody is going to live a completely different life and have their own story. Some people cannot work and some people can. I don't get why societal norms are so toxic that people, young people or older people, expect every single person to think the same, to look the same, and be the same. But in reality, humans come in different shapes and sizes. We all have different lives. Some people are able to work from home, or they're able to work multiple jobs. Some people struggle to find a job or to find a partner. And I just, I don't know. I just wanted to tell you guys that this video went way longer than expected. I don't like that. Okay. I'm gonna have to talk to you guys about my Titanic obsession and ocean liners. I'm gonna have to make a video on that, at least one of the topics. But this video was supposed to be around 5 minutes. Instead, I'm going overtime, which is okay. I just hope you guys can hear me. Oh, I don't like that bulb. I do not like that. Oh my god, I cannot wait. Okay, I'm going to end this video. Peace, guys.